Hemorrhoids, blind hemorrhoids, but lot of burning, lot of itching in hemorrhoids. Then in the diarrhea there is tenesmus. What is tenesmus?
Painful stools or urge.
Painful urge, painful stooling, painful urge. Pain in the rectum when he has the urge. Then when he passes, it's okay. What is it because of?
Heart stool.
Huh?
Heart stool.
No. Diarrhea बोल रहा हूँ heart stool. हाँ? Constriction because of what? Distension. Gases इतने फूला हुआ है और उसको constriction हो रहा है, इसलिए वो tenesmus है. अब इसमें interesting क्या है कैप्सिकम में कि there are few remedies which have tenesmus of rectum and tenesmus of bladder at the same time. This is one of the remedies. Same time. मतलब अभी उसको सिर्फ डायरिया हो रहा है, यूटीआई नहीं है, but he'll also have tenesmus in passing urine. Then कैप्सिकम में डायरिया का एक और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, which is urge to pass stool is immediately after drinking water. Water. अब है वो अल्कोहलिक, but थोड़ा उसको give him some benefit of doubt.
But that is in general, I mean.
Now here it is said, feeling as if he would have to pass, he would have diarrhea as soon as he drank anything.
During diarrhea.
During diarrhea, of course. Which is the other remedy?
Arsenic.
Proton take.
Arsal during
Arsenic
diarrhea.
इतना नहीं है, drinking after immediately नहीं है. More important is podophyllum. Eating and drinking, but drinking वाले बहुत थोड़े हैं. Eating you might have 50 remedies, drinking has 10-12 remedies. So it's important to remember, or it is important to understand that this is characteristic. You have to refer the report. Tenesmus is one thing where you have to remember. There is one more remedy. You will say mercurius. Mercurius and nux vomica. They are very high in tenesmus, but it doesn't have same time bladder or urinary tenesmus. So tenesmus, when you have, it is generally lot of flatus that is there inside, and very little stool, and either mucus or blood. That is it. That is why there is so much of constriction. Inflammation है ना, that is why there is mucus or blood. So when it is there, generally you will find this कि stool कमी pass होते हैं, water कमी pass होते हैं, mucus and blood हे जास्त pass होते हैं. So if you see Merksol, Naxomica also have the same symptom. Tenesmus, only little stool is passed. In Mercurius, it ameliorates the tenesmus. In Naxomica, it doesn't ameliorate tenesmus if you pass. Ineffectual urging, great. किडनी म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन्स पे एक्शन है ऐसे हमने बोला, बट क्या एक्शन है? स्टिमुलेशन का फेज पास हो चुका है एक्चुअली. स्टिमुलेशन में इट बी ओनली इरिटेशन एंड पेन इन द किडनीज. हियर इट इज अ स्टेज वेयर इट passes white sediment, which means what? Proteinuria. Proteinuria will have more turbid urine, not just white sediment. What is white sediment? Either it is calcium or sodium. So reabsorption of sodium and calcium is not good enough. Sexual organs. I have used one case I have had of capsicum, where I have used it in this sexual organs. It is a very good remedy for क्या बोलते हैं उसको, pain in the testis after mumps. Orchitis after mumps is a common sequel, no? It's a fantastic remedy for that. So this was a very old case. Even before I started my practice, I was doing my MBA. I had seen a case in University of
Keynote prescription.
Huh?
Keynote prescription.
Keynote prescription.
After
Keynote prescription.
Allen's.
And there was so much pain, he couldn't bear to wear even the undergarments because they are tight, they touch. So pain in the testis, especially after mumps, is directly given in capsicum. ये पेन जो है about sexual organs, especially about the testis, it is said that it keeps on shrinking the testis until the testis becomes small like a bean, and they hang very close to the abdominal ring. This is a symptom where it generally comes after some infection either of the upper respiratory of the GI or the GI tract. The infection from there goes on to the testis. और अगर टेस्टिस श्रिवल हो गए, श्रिंक हो गए, तो ये सब नीचे का कॉमन है ना. सेक्सुअल इंस्टिंक्ट ऑब्वियसली कम हो जाएगा, बियर्ड और मुस्टैच फॉल होना शुरू हो जाएगा, टेस्टोस्टेरोन कम हो जाएगा, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी कॉमन. So we have to understand that. Trembling of the whole body during amorous caresses. Again we have to understand that trembling is what? What is trembling? किस चीज का एक्शन है? हाँ? Shivering हो सकता है, but if it is only cold. Trembling without the cold, without the shivering. Nerves, which nerves? Sympathetic. This is a remedy for sympathetic, ऐसे ही बोला मैंने. अब ये क्या है? Typically we relate in our minds, we relate trembling with fear. But here it is trembling for any and every emotion. Just because it is a hyper sympathetic remedy, it has trembling as a common feature. मतलब rather it has trembling as a characteristic feature of capsicum. Okay? Which is the remedy for falling asleep during caresses? हाँ? अच्छा, falling asleep during embrace ऐसा एकदम मतलब हाँ वो तो है इसमें Allen's में ही दिया है keynotes में, but falling asleep during caresses is also like weeping during caresses.
Like was loss of libido when this.
हाँ, so he falls asleep even in an embrace or even during caresses because of loss of libido. Weeping during caresses. Is that from you? So respiratory organs. We talked about the cough, which is explosive cough, and it causes pain in distant parts. And sometimes with the cough there is fetor or fetid breath, which is because of empyema. It also leaves a putrid taste in the mouth. Cough, I told you, is aggravated drinking coffee. Most of the complaints are aggravated by coffee. There is this one thing which we have to understand a little. इसमें ये रेमेडी में बहुत डीप ब्रीदिंग है, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक साइन. बीच बीच में एकदम डीप ब्रेथ एक लेने की इच्छा हो जाती है. Like sign, which is the remedy we know for sign? Ignition. Now what is the difference between ignition and capsicum for sign?
Sign is more in ignitia because of certain emotional turmoil.
Correct. So in ignitia it is involuntary sign. Okay. Here it is not involuntary sign because of emotional background. Here it is more because of the distension, breathlessness. He feels a need to take a deep breath. But it looks like sign. So if you see in a patient, you have to first differentiate whether it is sign or whether it is this. Okay? And this deep breathing ameliorates his complaints. Then the breathlessness that we talked about is also ameliorated by outstretching oneself. आळस दिला की बरं वाटतं. बॅकवर्ड बेंड केलं म्हणजेच आळस दिला की बरं वाटतं. What is the reason? When you stretch, what happens? Expand. No? You are standing normally, then you stretch, you automatically expand your chest. Then the chest, we talked about constriction and again breathing difficulty. Constriction के साथ fullness, and all this from distension of abdomen. Cause is there. Just skip a little. Again, sciatica is worse bending backward and worse falling. Sleep and dreams. What dreams would we expect in this remedy? What dreams would we expect in this remedy? अभी तक एक कुछ तो मन में पिक्चर बन गया ना, ये पैथोलॉजी है, इस टाइप का आदमी है. क्या ड्रीम्स हो गए? fearful dreams. fearful इस तरीके से कि वो चिल्लाते उठ जाता है. अब ये तो कॉमन हो गया ना.
हाँ, actually.
तो बोलो ना, मैं क्या? Fearful dreams is common, but waking up because of screaming is a little uncommon. Still it is common. Then what is the point in telling you this? The point is, in capsicum, even after waking up, he doesn't understand whether this is true or the dream is true. उसको लगता है ड्रीम ही ट्रू है और वो फियर जो है वो कंटिन्यू होता है.
In the awakened state.
In the awakened state, the fear continues, not the vision. The dream doesn't continue, but the vision, the fear continues, and therefore, with the fear, there is palpitation and scanty sweat, with chill. The other thing about dreams of capsicum that you should remember is that एक ड्रीम चल रहा है, वो चिल्ला के उठा, ये फियर वियर हो गया, पानी पिया, जो भी किया उसने, थोड़ा काम डाउन हो गया, सो गया, वापस वो ड्रीम कंटिन्यू होता है. I don't know how is it possible, but I have seen a patient. I have seen a patient who had this thing, although her dreams were not fearful. Whatever her dream was, the whole story used to go on. She used to wake up because of some surprise elements, and then she used to, नहीं उसको fearful भी थे, but the remedy was not capsicum. She used to wake up with the fear or with the surprise, and then after calming down she slept और वही story फिर से continue. Part 2. And in her though it was like part 6, part 7, part 8. कितने भी बार उठ रहा वो continue होता था. So her remedy was opium. यहाँ पर कैप्सिकम में ये है.
म्हणजे सर याच्यामध्ये पार्ट 2 पर्यंत ओपीएम मध्ये 5-6 असं
नाही नाही मला नाही माहिती याच्यातली. I have not seen a patient of capsicum having this symptom. But it is given in the book, so I can say it is possible. किसी ने बोला ना how is it possible? तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ it is possible. So what kind of fearful dreams will capsicum get? एक आदमी है जो बहुत सेंसिटिव हो गया था, फिर अभी डल होने लग गया है. ठीक है, इन जनरल बोल रहा हूँ मैं. You can apply this in any area. So it can be in terms of relationships, emotions. It can be in the terms of job, ambitions. It can be in the terms of whatever else. अगर ये पैटर्न हम देख रहे हैं कि वो यहाँ था, यहाँ पर पहुँच गया और फिर अभी डल हो रहा है, क्या ड्रीम्स एक्सपेक्टेड है?
Dreams of falling.
Dreams of falling. Dreams of falling with fear. That is the dreams.